Hey there, English learners! Welcome to TalkPod, your cozy space to chill, listen, and actually improve your English. I'm your host, Kylie, and today's topic is going to flip your whole study routine upside down. This episode is called Don't Learn 100 Words, Learn 10 Sentences That Actually Work. If you've ever tried to memorize hundreds of random words and still couldn't speak, this one's for you. Get comfy, get your headphones, and let's fix your English the smart way. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah is from Germany. She's smart, motivated, and loves learning new things. Every evening, she sits at her desk with a cup of coffee, opens her big English notebook, and writes, Monday, learn 100 new words. She's got lists like apple, happiness, butterfly, honest, quickly, adventure, responsibility. Sarah is a vocabulary machine. But when someone says, Hey, Sarah, how's your day? She freezes. Her brain goes, I know all these words separately, but I don't know what to say. She tries to build a sentence. My, day, it is happy? And she feels awkward. So she starts thinking, maybe I need to memorize more words. She studies 200 more, then 300. But when it's time to speak, still silence. Here's the truth. Learning 100 words doesn't help you speak, because speaking is not about knowing words. It's about connecting them. That's where most learners fail and where today's episode is going to help you win. Let's get real. When you talk, your brain doesn't have time to think, I need subject, verb, object. You just speak automatically. So instead of memorizing 100 single words, learn 10 powerful sentences. Sentences that you can actually use anywhere, anytime. Think of it like Lego blocks. You don't need all the tiny pieces. You need ready-made shapes that connect easily. For example, instead of learning want, coffee, now, learn I want a coffee now. That's one full functional sentence. And you can change just one word and make hundreds of new ones. I want tea now. I want a break now. I want to sleep now. Boom! Same pattern, new meaning. Let's look at 10 sentences that actually work in real life. You don't need 100 words. These 10 sentences can carry you through almost any basic conversation. Let's shadow together. I'll say each sentence, then pause for you to repeat. How are you doing today? Use this to start any conversation naturally. Repeat after me. How are you doing today? I'm not sure. Let me check. Great for daily life or work situations. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. Let me check. Can you say that again, please? Super useful for understanding people clearly. Repeat after me. Can you say that again, please? I'm learning English every day. A proud and confident sentence. Repeat after me. I'm learning English every day. That sounds great. A natural response to anything positive. Repeat after me. That sounds great. Give me a second. A quick and polite way to say wait. Repeat after me. Give me a second. I don't understand. Honest, simple, powerful. Repeat after me. I don't understand. Can you help me, please? Politeness is power. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? What do you think? Great for continuing conversations. Repeat after me. What do you think? I'll try my best. A sentence that shows confidence and growth mindset. Repeat after me. I'll try my best. See? 10 sentences. Each one can open a door in your conversation life. You don't need 500 nouns or 200 adjectives. You just need ready-to-use patterns. Let's see how Sarah uses these sentences in real life. Scene 1, morning at a cafe. Sarah walks into a cafe in Berlin. She wants to order coffee in English because she's practicing. She says, "Hi, how are you doing today?" The barista smiles and says, "I'm good. What can I get you?" Sarah, "I want a coffee now, please." Perfect. One structure used naturally. Scene 2, talking to her English teacher online. Teacher, "So, Sarah, did you do your homework?" Sarah laughs, "I'm not sure. Let me check." The teacher smiles. She sounds natural. Scene 3, at the airport. Sarah doesn't understand the announcement. She asks, "Can you say that again, please?" Clear, polite, confident. Scene 4, chatting with a friend. Friend, "Hey, we're going to the movies tonight." Sarah, "That sounds great." Scene 5, job interview practice. Interviewer, "Do you think you can handle this position?" Sarah, "I'll try my best." When Sarah started using full sentences instead of memorizing single words, her brain relaxed. She could think in English naturally, not word by word, because speaking isn't translating, it's flowing. All right, time to practice together. I'll say a sentence, you repeat it. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just focus on rhythm and flow. How are you doing today? I'm not sure. Let me check. Can you say that again, please? I'm learning English every day. That sounds great. Give me a second. I don't understand. Can you help me, please? What do you think? I'll try my best. Nice work. Now let's use them faster. Real life speed. How are you doing today? I'm learning English every day. That sounds great. I don't understand. Can you help me, please? Give me a second. I'll try my best. Good job. Now, one last challenge. Fill in the blanks. I'm not sure. Let me... Can you say that? I'll try my... You did amazing. That's the power of shadowing, not just hearing English, but feeling it. Listen, You don't need to be perfect. Fluency isn't about having a big vocabulary. It's about confidence and connection. When you learn 10 sentences deeply, you understand grammar inside them. You hear the rhythm, the tone, the pattern. You can play with them, change a word, and boom, new sentence. I want a coffee now. I want to sleep now. I want to learn English now. See, you're speaking. So stop killing your motivation with long word lists. Start mastering small, powerful sentences. Use them everywhere. Talk to your pet, your mirror, your friend, your phone. Even one sentence a day can change your English life. You're not bad at English, you're just studying it the wrong way. And now you know the smarter way. Let's wrap up today's episode. You've just learned how 10 powerful sentences can do more than 100 random words. If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow TalkPod for more cozy English practice. Try to use these sentences today. One or two is enough. Speak to someone, comment on a video, or even talk to yourself in English. Every sentence is a step toward fluency. And remember, you don't need to be perfect to speak. You just need to start. This was your host, Kylie, reminding you, small steps create big progress. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep speaking, keep shining, and keep being your awesome self.